Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 8 power x times 8 power x equal to 80. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m times a power n equal to a power m plus n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 8 power x plus x equal to 80. Now here 8 power x plus x is 2x equal to 80. Now take a log on both sides. Log 8 power 2x equal to log 80. Now here we are going to apply this log power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This power comes before this log. So 2x log 8 equal to log 80. Now we are going to divide by log 8 on both sides. So log 8 here left side, in right side log 8. Now this log 8 cancels this log 8. Now we have 2x equal to log 80 by log 8. Now here this 80 can be written as 16 times 5. So 2x equal to log 16 times 5 divided by log 8. Now 2x equal to log 16 times 5 by log 8. Here we are going to apply log product formula, that is log a b equal to log a plus log b. So this we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2x equal to log 16 plus log 5 in whole divided by log 8. Now here this can be written as a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. This we are going to apply here. So 2x equal to log 16 by log 8 plus log 5 by log 8. Here this 16 can be written as 2 power 4. Also this 8 can be written as 2 power 3. This we are going to apply here and here. So 2x equal to log 2 power 4 by log 2 power 3 plus log 5 by log 2 power 3. Here we are going to apply log power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. So we'll get 2x equal to, this 4 comes before log, 4 log 2 by 3 log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. This 3 comes before this log. Now this log 2 cancels this log 2. So we have 2x equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 by log 2. Now we are going to introduce other log formula, that log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2x equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2. Now 2x equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2. Now here we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. So here 2. Now this 2 cancels this. Now we have x equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2 whole divided by 2. So this can be written as 4 by 3 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 times this 2 can be written as 1 by 2 log 5 base 2. Now here simplify this, we get here 2. Now 2 times 1 is 2 by 3 plus here 1 times 1 is 1 by 3 times 2 is 6 log 5 base 2. This is x value. Now we are going to verify this x value with the equation that 8 power x times 8 power x equal to 80. Recall this, which we simplified earlier. This can be written as 8 power 2x equal to 80. Now this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 power 2x equal to 80. So 2 power 3 times 2x equal to 80. Now this is 2 power 6x equal to 80. Now we are going to apply this x value, that is x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 log 5 base 2. This value we are going to apply here. 2 power 6 times open bracket 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 log 5 base 2 close bracket equal to 80. Now this 6 we are going to multiply here. So 2 power 6 times 2 by 3 plus 6 times 1 by 6 log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now do simplify this. Here we'll get 2. This cancels this 6. So 2 power 2 times 2 is 4 plus here log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Here we are going to apply this express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. Here 2 power 4 times 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now here this 2 power 4 can be written as 16 times 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Here a power log b base a equal to b. This we are going to apply here. So 16 times, here it is 5 equal to 80. This is 80 equal to 80. So LHS equal to RHS. Here we have verified. Thanks for watching this video.